Today, I'll show you how to set up OpenClaw with Decodo scraping skill to build a proxy-backed web scraping workflow that handles JavaScript rendering, bot detection, and IP rotation out of the box. So what is OpenClaw? It's an open-source AI agent framework built for browser automation, web fetching, and system control. Think of it as connective tissue between an AI model and the open web. It gives AI agents the tool to visit sites, pull content, and trigger actions without you writing everything together manually. By default, OpenClaw uses a built-in tool called Web Fetch to grab page content. That works fine for simple static pages, but most real-world sites aren't simple or static. JavaScript-heavy pages render content after initial load, so the built-in tools grabs nothing but an empty shell. And bot-protected sites? They'll block your standard HTTP request before you even get started. That's where Decodo's OpenClaw skill comes in. It extends web fetch by routing requests through Decodo's Web Scraping API. It handles CAPTCHA bypass, residential proxy routing, advanced fingerprinting, and anti-bot detection automatically. You get clean, structured content back in HTML, JSON, CSV, or Markdown without managing any of that infrastructure yourself. Before we start, here's what you'll need: Python 3.9 or higher, a Decodo account with the Web Scraping API plan enabled. There's a free trial available, and an API key from an AI model provider like OpenAI or Claude, optionally a Telegram account if you want to interact with your bot through the app. Alright, let's get to the setup. First, install OpenClaw, open your terminal, and paste the install command for your operating system. You can also install it globally via npm. After a couple of minutes, OpenClaw will be installed. You can verify it by running OpenClaw -- version. Next, run OpenClaw on board to go through the setup wizard. Confirm you understand the risks, choose Quick Start for the onboarding mode, select your AI model provider, and paste your API key when prompted. Then, select a model that you want to use. For the channel, we'll set up Telegram since it's the easiest to get started with. Follow the in-terminal instructions to create your bot, give it a name, and paste the token you get from the app. When it asks about configuring skills, click Yes and install Claw Hub. It'll let you quickly install skills from the official database. Choose npm as your preferred node manager, skip any API keys you don't need, and skip hooks for now. Install the OpenClaw gateway service. In my case, it was already installed, so I just restarted the service. If you want to hatch your bot later, feel free to skip this step. That's it for the base install. You can choose to open the web UI for a visual interface or manage everything from the terminal. Now the important part, setting up the Decodo Scraper skill. This skill gives your agent access to tools like Google Search, a universal page fetcher, Amazon product and search scrapers, YouTube subtitle extraction, and Reddit scrapers, all powered by Decodo's Web Scraping API. To install it, run this command in your terminal. This pulls it straight from Claw Hub. Next, navigate to the install directory using the cd command. Create a .env file there, either manually or with terminal command. Then open it and paste your Decodo authentication token. You'll find the token on the Decodo dashboard under Integrations. To confirm everything's working, check the OpenClaw dashboard's skills section or run OpenClaw skills in the terminal. You should see Decodo Scraper on the list. Let's test it with Telegram. Open the chat with the bot you created, send/start, and copy the pairing code. Then paste it into the terminal with the pairing approve command. Now, send a message asking for Google search results or content from a specific web page. If you get a proper response, your setup works. And that's it. OpenClaw and Decodo's Web Scraping API cover the full stack: AI-powered automation, proxy routing, bot bypass, and clean data output. Set it up once, follow the best practices, and you've got a scraping setup that actually holds up. Try Decodo's Web Scraping API with a free trial. Links in the description.